The next law that we can use when we work with numbers is called the associative law. When I think of the word associative, I think about an associate, a partner, things that work together. And that is exactly what associative law is that numbers can be grouped in any way without changing the answer. And that means it's got the associative properties. So they say it doesn't matter how you combine them, the answer will always be the same. Let's look at a few examples. I've got 1 plus 2 plus 3. I can either add 1 plus 2 first, or I can add 2 plus 3 first. Let's look at it. If I add 1 plus 2 first, I get 3, and 3 plus 3 is 6. If I add the 2 plus 3 first, I get 5, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Same if we multiply. 2 times 4 times 3. If I multiply 4 and 3 first with each other, I get 12. And 2 times 12 is 24. But if I multiply 2 and 4 first here, I will get 8. And 8 times 3 is 24. Very important that you understand the order. The order here does not matter. It doesn't matter the order. I can even say 1 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6 times 4 is 24. And 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. The order does not matter. But very careful. It only applies to addition and to multiplication. Division and subtraction cannot be associative. They cannot be grouped together. And in those cases, the order do matter. So you need to memorize this law now with its examples, and you need to realize that it only applies to addition and multiplication. You need to memorize that and make use of that. Thank you very much, and good luck with the practice.